Dry mop. It is used to pick up dry dirt and debris. Flat mop. It is used for the wet cleaning of the floors. Kentucky mop. It is used to wet clean a larger area of the floor. Floor squeegee. It is used to clean and dry floors. Glass squeegee. It is used for cleaning of windows and mirrors. Feather brush. It cleans the areas where our hands cannot reach. Tea brush. It is used for cleaning of hard stains from larger areas like pathways. Scrubbing brush. It is used to remove hard stains from hard surfaces. WC brush. It is used for the cleaning of WC, also known as toilet bowl. Plunger. It is used to clean blockage in drains and pipes with the help of air pressure. Microfiber duster. It is used for dusting as it collects and traps dust and dirt. Dustpan with brush. It is used for picking up dust and dirt from the floor easily. Jobby kit. It is used to collect large debris from floor or periphery area. Rubber gloves. Wear these while using strong chemicals for cleaning purposes. Spray can. It is used to store and spray desired amount of chemical for cleaning. Bottle cleaning brush. It is used to clean the small neck water bottles from inside. Cleaning caddy. It is used to store cleaning chemicals and products at one place. Signboards. They are used as information boards for wet floors or any other work in progress. Cobweb brush extensions. They are used for high-level dusting and cobwebs removal. Telescopic pole. Different extensions can be added to this for high-level cleaning. Wringer trolley. It is used for floor cleaning and squeezing of Kentucky mop to make it ready for mopping. Scrubbing pad. It is used for cleaning of hard surfaces which require hand scrubbing like vanity counters. Sponge. It is used to clean the surfaces which are prone to scratches like utensils.